I cooked dinner 5 nights in a row this week from just one appliance, the Weber Q from The Good Guys. Let me show you how they turned out. Let's go. On Monday night, I cooked grilled calamari pasta. Oh my God, those tomatoes, you cannot get that flavor from the pan. Delicious. Tuesday was a late one for me, so I did a very simple paprika chicken with parmesan corn. I tell you, they sound simple, but they taste amazing. Wednesday night, I made Vietnamese lemongrass pork scotch fillets. Need I say more? Thursday night, I made honey soy chicken wings. This is my daughter's favorite, and I can see why. It's so succulent. By Friday night, though, I was done with the busy week, so I went for a very simple eye fillet steak with grilled asparagus. Honestly, I love cooking with this barbecue. The size is so perfect for a family of 3 or 4, and it is so easy to clean. If you're looking for a barbecue, you can find it at The Good Guys.